rewind. Perforated day, but still hitting the grind. Looking for the signs, open your brain to transplant the motivation. Innovation, creation, climbing these hierarchies without technology, record labels and radio stations. Fusions of a burned soul with an illusion of oasis goals. The disappearance of transportation, burrowing moles. This is my planet that's made of granite and hardships. Lost grips and subtracted acid trips. I'm about to tee off, but first I count down the moments to strangulation. A traitor metaphorical to an entire guilty nation. String pianos, the way the water flows. Eternal progression attack till the circle of light grows. Anything to vacate this present prison. Entering the mental machine and always avoiding the cataclysm. Rectangular prism, you can puff on the ism. Speak against all the political totalitarianism. As for me, opinionless, Atlantis free. Only debating which line to draw next for my freestyle graffiti. Higher octane, the memory lane, going right down this proverbial drain. Transformation painted through the astral projected plane. Astronomical death the same. Big pictures are cut into fourths, cause scissors are the bane. Cause scissors are the bane. This is my existence. Be obstinate and leave your fingerprints for the evidence. Calling card for regard. Never try to be hard. You'll be obliviated into shards with all of the other mainstream stars. This is my existence. Be obstinate and leave your fingerprints for the evidence. Calling card for regard. Never try to be hard. You'll be obliviated into shards with all of the other mainstream stars. The assembly line in my head manufactures every word. Colors and verbs, the only thing keeping me reassured. Ropes get cut deep in my gut to reverse this rut. Freedom in my lyrics anytime I ever need them. Vernacular crutch, helping me adjust when I bust. Talking over the drum and the bass, dissolving emotional crust. Claustrophobic, agoraphobic to innovate. Alcoholic sinking like a brick, unable to inflate. Refer to the index like a spiritual flex. My direct effect on a complex poetry hex. The dawning of the movement and lyrical acupuncture. Drifting and uplifting, eroding every infrastructure. Destructive to the network, technological glitch. Slitting this to end the poverty in the brain of the rich. A thermonuclear reactor, still looking for the cure. Terminology encased in the strength to endure. Kicking versus proper, the stopper when you're pressing your luck. Potentially dismantling everything about me corrupt. Pontificate, escape without proclivity. The ability to eternally spit my poetry fundamentally. Oxymoronic and fake, living for the break. Always looking for the chance to perpetuate verbal earthquake. Cylindrical prison vision, conquering the emission. In this state of asking for permission for what has shifted. I need a band-aid blanketed over my reoccurring sores. What's in store for a sunken country that doesn't want to bleed anymore? Bottom feeders begging to dip forever neath the breath of a force-fed lie. Camping on top of a mountain watching everything that's vital die. Listen to the embryo cry. Push your cancer, flush it down while it's malignant apply. The door's forever open, broken record and soaking with I'm sorry's and I'll pay you back later. Right now I'm choking. No one here can forgive. That's why we settle for sedative hypocrisy to generalize from my collective collaborative. From my collective collaborative. From my collective collaborative. This is my existence. Be obstinate and leave your fingerprints for the evidence. Calling card for regard. Never try to be hard. You'll be obliviated into shards with all of the other mainstream stars. This is my existence. Be obstinate and leave your fingerprints for the evidence. Calling card for regard. Never try to be hard. You'll be obliviated into shards with all of the other mainstream stars.